video. So real quick, I want to greatly appreciate everybody that watched my Cobra video. I worked really hard on it. I really hope you guys like it, especially when the car scared the crap out of me multiple times in that video.
Hey, yo, chill. Bro, this is a train tracks right here. God damn, you finna get hit by a train like after 6 pistons. Bro, you finna get hit by a train like Dom.
So again, I really want to appreciate everybody that like, comment, share, subscribe to that video. Thank you guys for watching my videos and, you know, showing lots of love. But in this video, we're going to be changing the Cobra fog light housings, whatever you want to call them just the fog lights, just because it's hard to say the whole thing. But we're going to be changing the fog lights on the Mustang. Now, the housing is just disgusting, bro. It's rusty, dusty, musty, crusty, whatever you want to call it. Just overall, it's disgusting. So we're going to change them. I bought the 99 to 01 replacements. I didn't get the 03 to 04 ones just because they don't fit correctly. And honestly, I just want them to fit nice. And as long as they're clear, I'm okay with this. So we're going to be running these. And so let me show you what I copped and how they look like. All right, homies, so let me show you what I copped. Get over here. Pop this bad boy out. Oh yes, my boys, look at this. Dang, that thing is crystal clear. Look at that, compared to the other ones, it's no match. And then it already comes with the fog light, but again, we just need the housing. We already have the LED ones. And I will leave links down below, that way you guys can check them out, but look at this. Super nice, but enough talking, let's put these on the car. Alright homies, so got the bumper off, and as you can see, I have the new fog light installed on this side, obviously. And we got the old one on this side. Now it's gonna be a day and night difference once I have them, you know, running on the car with the lights on. It's gonna look really nice. And as you can see, I did show it before when the lights were on with the old fogs, and then obviously with the new ones, we're gonna put that on, see how they look like. But man, do they look really nice. So I can't wait to do the other side. Let me show you back here so I can install them and put them on the car, homies. Alright homies, so we're done putting the fog housing, fog lights, whatever you want to call them, on the car. They look very nice. You can always see the differences between the old ones and the new ones. And overall, man, I just like them a lot. I cannot wait to take some photos. I just know they're going to look dope. But again, guys, this is just a short video. I really want to appreciate everybody that watched, like, subscribed on my last video. Please do it on this one. Let's get to 50 likes on this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you till next time, homies.